Hello friends. In this video I am going to talk about very basic things not related to some topic but related to our results. So IBPS PO result has been declared. Today IBPS clerk result is also declared. Now the main question is when IBPS SO result will declare. So let's first talk about IBPS SO. So maybe by Monday or Tuesday SO result also will declare and the main exam will happen as per the schedule which IAPS has circulated earlier, and we know like many channels or many social media are circulating the dates. As per that date only the main exam will happen. So let's talk about result now. So IAPS result is quite good. People who were expecting that they will make through, they have cleared IAPS PO pre-exam. But clerk exam is very unexpected because I am seeing many people who have attempted more than 85 plus or 90 plus, they are not able to clear the cutoff this time or their result is negative side. So what should we do now? We cannot blame anyone, like whether it is IBPS or normalization has played the role, we don't know. And now the next thing which we should do is, rather than focusing on many thing campaign and court case, don't waste your time in those things. Start preparing for your next exam. So whoever have cleared IAPS PO, continue studying for mains. For PO, what you have to do is you will have quant, reasoning, English, GA and descriptive part. Don't bother much on descriptive. Descriptive can be cleared very easily and it's only qualifying in nature. GA you have to study in very deep because we cannot say which type of question will come in GA. So for GA you can follow at least two sources to follow. A fast cloud is good and study IQ also you should follow. These two sources are enough for GA. Whoever have cleared IBPS clerk, congratulations to them. You should also focus more on GA, and also you have to give many mocks. Whatever mocks you can cover, give as many as mocks. And those who are not able to clear clerk and not able to clear PO also, so you have take this as a blessing in disguise. You have more time to prepare for next year exam. So first thing you have to do is analyze what is your weakness. So if you think that okay, English is my weakness, or maybe in English I have less accuracy, so start preparing for English from very basic. Start from subject verb agreement, then go to tense, then go to other English rules, voices, speeches, like this. Go topic by topic. Don't just go directly to mock and start attempting questions and see okay what was the issue and all those things. Start preparing from very basics. This way it will be useful for you to crack upcoming exam. And for SO candidates, you should focus on preparing your professional knowledge, because professional knowledge is the thing which will come in every SO exam. Whether you will clear or not the prelims exam, it will be helpful for you. So keep your focus on professional knowledge. So that's all for today. So those who have not cleared IBPS clerk exam, don't get demotivated. Always be motivated and keep learning. Keep learning is the key to success. Always keep learning. Start preparing for next exam. Thank you so much for watching.